to ship foods with dry ice. Dry ice is often used as a shipping agent for perishable foods. If you're shipping perishables, you can pack them with dry ice to make sure they stay fresh on their trip. Packing with dry ice. 1. Purchase packages of dry ice. Before you can pack materials using dry ice, you'll have to purchase some. You can buy packages of dry ice at most butcher shops and grocery stores. Some UPS stores or FedEx stores may sell dry ice. 2. Get the right quality material for packing. Once you've obtained dry ice, you need material to pack it safely. Dry ice releases carbon dioxide, which can be hazardous if released through the package rupturing. A rupture can be caused by pressure pushed down on a package during shipments. Therefore, the material you use should allow the release of some pressure. You can use good quality fiberboard, also known as corrugated cardboard, which you can purchase online or at a local hardware store. You can also use plastic or wooden boxes to ship with dry ice. Do not use steel drums or jerry cans to ship dry ice. 3. Add a layer of styrofoam to the box. It's a good idea to layer the box with styrofoam. Some even advise mailing the box in a styrofoam cooler, which you would then place inside another container. Make sure the styrofoam you use is at least 2 inches thick in length. 4. Take precautions when handling dry ice. When packing your container with packages of dry ice, use gloves. Dry ice is very cold and can cause serious burns if it comes into contact with bare skin. 5. Pack the box. Wrap the food in plastic wrap or place in paper bags prior to packing. You want to make sure the food and dry ice are packed together tightly. Use newspaper or cellulose to make sure it's packed tight. This provides extra insulation, keeping your perishables fresh. If you're using a styrofoam cooler, do not seal it completely as this can prevent the package from releasing pressure. Packs of dry ice should be on the bottom, followed by food items. You should alternate between dry ice and food items, filling in excess gaps with bubble wrap and newspaper until the box is full. Dealing with labels and paperwork. 1. Add the correct addresses. You will need to label the box for shipping. As with any other container, you will need to put your address as well as the address of the recipient. You can write this directly on the box, or get adhesive labels at a local post office where you can write the address and return address down. 2. Mark the package correctly. Dry ice is considered hazardous material, so it needs to be marked properly prior to shipment. At the post office, make sure you ask that the following labels be attached to your box. 3. Get a Class 9 label. As dry ice is considered hazardous, it needs what is called a Class 9 label. This is a label, which you receive at the post office, that indicates the package contains dry ice. 4. Complete the required paperwork at a local post office. When shipping with dry ice, certain paperwork is required. You usually include basic information, like your name and address, and do not need to bring in any special materials to fill out paperwork. At the post office, you'll be presented with the proper forms. Assuring safe delivery. 1. Consider the shipping durations. When shipping with dry ice, you want to make sure the dry ice will preserve perishables for the proper amount of time. Overnight shipping is usually best, especially when shipping items like meat. However, if the meat is vacuum-packed, 2-day shipping may be sufficient. Unless you know temperatures outside will be below freezing, do not opt for anything over 2-day shipping. 2. Add extra labels for international shipments. When it comes to international shipment, there will be additional labels to fill out. Be prepared to fill out such labels at the post office. For some international shipments, a passport may be required. Before purchasing dry ice to ship, call your post office and ask if the country you're shipping to has any regulations against dry ice. 3. Prepare for extra costs due to regulations. If you're planning on shipping with dry ice, be prepared for extra costs. As you'll likely have to pay for overnight or 2-day shipping, costs can get steep. You also may have to pay added fees for shipping hazardous materials. Call your local post office to ask for a price estimate to make sure shipping with dry ice is within your budget.